There has never been a better time to buy, and I'll tell you why in just a few moments. We're standing in front of the Joemars P75 machine. Now this is an EDM machine, but it's a full CNC machine, which means there are motors on all of the axes. It can do multi-cavity work, meaning you can do more than one job in one cycle. Orbital sparking to help achieve a good surface finish. Side sparking, vector sparking, really is going to reach those hard to reach places. Great machine. It's a fully refurbished, pre-owned machine, so it's an even better deal than from brand new. Now, I say it's never been a better time to buy because you've got the government Sybil scheme, which has been extended to March the 31st, and of course a bounce back loan where you can borrow up to £50,000 over 6 years with a 2.5% interest rate, and you pay nothing for 12 months. So like I say, there's never been a better time to buy. Now contact Eurospark for more information.